Hello everyone, welcome to Perdomo Distributor. Today I want to show you some of the everyday electrical components we carry for HVAC systems. These are common parts technicians use to keep systems running safely, efficiently, and reliably. Let's take a look. First, we have a surge protection device. This is used to protect equipment from power surges and electrical spikes. If the indicator light is on, the unit is working properly. Surge protectors help prevent damage to control boards and major components. Next, we have a fan relay. This part is commonly used to control when the fan turns on and off. You'll find fan relays in air handlers, furnaces, and other HVAC systems where reliable fan operation is needed. We also carry an on-make time delay. This allows equipment to turn on after a short delay instead of all at once. Time delays are often used to protect compressors and motors by reducing electrical stress during startup. Here we have a hard start kit. Hard start kits help compressors start more easily, especially on older systems or systems with startup issues. They're commonly used to extend compressor life and improve system reliability. We carry several types of hard start kits, including options for standard and heavy-duty applications depending on the system's needs. Moving on to contactors. A contactor is used to turn the outdoor unit on and off when the thermostat calls for cooling. This is one of the most commonly replaced electrical parts in residential and light commercial systems. We also stock control transformers. These are used to step down power and supply 24 volts to thermostats, contactors, and control boards. For electrical protection, we carry square D circuit breakers. Single pole breakers are commonly used for smaller HVAC circuits. Two-pole breakers are used for higher power equipment like condensers and air handlers. All of these parts are available right here at Perdomo Distributor. If you're a contractor or technician and need the right part for the job, our team is here to help. Stop by or contact us today.